Okay, here we go. Roth crane. Fresno, California. This is a repair on a 70-ton hydro. As you see here, 70-ton hydro extension outrigger. What we're doing is replacing hoses. As you can see, we have a leak, very ugly mess. Replacing 2 hoses and 4 O-rings on the end of the pipe there, and then the fitting. Also using a transfer tube for this outrigger system. You can see, instead of a hydraulic tapered fitting, we have a flat fitting hydraulic with an O-ring. So you have it turned up. See the brazing. Fabricated transfer tubes. Again, one more fitting with an O-ring system. It's the old O-ring, which I'm going to pull out of there. That's the first sliding section, the small section of the outrigger system. With the stacked ram system. We'll go out here and I'll take a picture of that, show you the crane and kind of mess it makes. It's not good for job sites, so we store and repair, get them cleaned up and back together. So here's our single stage ram here. This is on the bottom side. And there's a single stage again on the top side. And that ram section slides inside of that one, locks in and pins and fastens with the hose clamp. The hydraulic hoses with the O-rings when we get them new. Waiting for the hoses to be built at Bush's Auto Supply here in Fresno. They do an excellent job. Here is the second slider. This is the stationary part here. The housing for this, I guess you could call it like a socket tube housing. Well, actually, it's a stationary tube system, square tubing. Oh, I'm tired today. But anyway, here's a little mess left in this one. This is actually the extension side where it extends out and retracts back into the truck so it can be mobile. This is a 70-ton hydro with a jib section, which actually it'll reach about 180 foot altogether. It's a jib on it, 185, something like that. Big Tonka toy. Love playing with these things and repairing them. Been doing them since I was about 7 years old. Actually, the smaller cranes like this 110 Garland here. 90 footers, 76 footers, 54 ladders, Sponko ladders, Wilkie cranes, Wilkie ladders, Skyhook, Radosi, Dynalift, Garland, National. I've done a couple of T-Rexes in my time. As you can see, we got quite a selection out here. Basari series and several others. But anyway, back to the project. Here's our opposite side of the slider. There's, you can see the first slider right there. Our biggest sliding tube section. Here's our hoses, which bolt to the back of that ram.